Data changes the way businesses make decisions. Before you can begin to form a data strategy, though, there are several elements to consider. First, what does your company need to know? What kind of data you collect and from what sources depends on the questions that need answering. Next, consider how you will collect the data you need. How will it be stored? What methods will you use to interpret the information? How will you use it to benefit your business? This course will help you define different types and sources of data, understand the relationship between data analysis and data strategy, and use data to improve your business. Applying a strategic approach to data collection and analysis helps your business thrive. Learn how with using data strategically.